Alright, so this is that Hisense television. It's pretty much a street find. Just found it outside. Somebody got rid of it. So this is what's coming out of it. Just horizontal or the vertical lines. Every once in a while it plays like a demo track off of the TV. I'm not sure what menu it's on that's making it do that, but I do hear sound coming out of it. So what I'm going to do is I just learned a little way of how to test the T-Con board. So that's what I'm going to do to see if that's all it needs, or if it gives me a better idea if that's what it needs. So the goal is to do the test with the multimeter, see if I get those type of same results where the numbers not dropping, and then go ahead and replace. And there's the demo sound. No crack on the screen. So I think it's going to be a fix. Alright, so that's all it's doing. Playing some type of demo video. I tried putting a Fire Stick to it. Nothing popped up. I didn't hear the sound from the Fire Stick, which was concerning, because I thought I would at least be able to get something to come out with the Fire Stick just to kind of get some sound. But I'm thinking maybe it's just because I can't get to the right menu for the HDMI ports to as far as the source on the TV. So yeah, we just have to figure it out as we go. Alright, so first step is to take this apart. Most of the time on these TVs, there's usually an arrow on the ones that need to be removed, like right there. So I'm going to remove all these arrows, all these screws with the arrows, and try to pull up this case. It's a bit easier to take apart than the last one. Alright, so now to remove this cover here to get to that T-Con board. Alright. I wonder if it's missing one. Maybe somebody was in here before. Got it twisted up, but something is holding me back. I think it's this here. Okay, so I'm about to remove the ribbons. No. So I should be able to take off this without... Alright, let me figure this out. Alright, so that was a thermal paste that was holding that down. So, right here. Just sticky. Alright, get all that back the way it was. Alright, so on the board, I have to figure out where my test points are. So I'm going to work on finding that out, and then I'll do some tests. So this is the new one, or the new to me one. ribbons off. Just get my fingernail under it and popping it up. And the ribbon pivot will just come out. This black line is pretty much where I need to make sure I put it far enough to cover the black line just a little bit. That's that. And that's that. And then this one in the back, I'm gonna try squeezing it first. Yep, just a squeeze on both ends. It's the old board. And the new board. Lift this flap up. Alright, so still the same issue. Just not that T-con board. Well, that's the way it goes sometimes. So I'm going to try to see if I can do a little more diagnostics. Try to get to the bottom of it. All right, so I believe I definitely have figured out it's the LED driver board that was damaged on this particular TV. I bought a kit that had all like most of the boards that came with the kit: the power, the LED driver, the T-con board. I replaced all of that, and the only thing, and it actually caused me more problems because some of those boards that was given to me were also damaged. So once I started swapping out my original parts back to the board, the one that kept it working was the LED driver. So because I am going to send the entire kit back, I went ahead and purchased myself another LED driver for $22 from eBay, and that's what I'm going to go ahead and replace now, and then make sure that everything works with that, and then return all those other parts that wasn't needed or didn't work in the first place. All right, so that's the go. Just go ahead and put the new LED driver in, and then test it, and then return the unused parts. All right, so this is the LED driver board, and this is the one that came from the well, I'm not going to say the name of the company, but pretty much the kit, and it didn't work out for me. So I labeled it so I can know the difference between my boards, the one with the original TV, and the ones that came from somebody else. And this is the new one that just came in from eBay. Came in a little plastic. Alright, so store mode is what it was on when I first got it, and didn't know where those colors were coming from, where the music was coming from. Let me show you that now with it working.
Thank you very much.